Today we'll be replacing the blower motor resistor on my 06 Tacoma. It's a 4-wheel drive, 6-speed manual, TRD off-road. There is a very known problem with these, with them only working on the high or a combination of the high and like low. But it all breaks down to the blower motor resistor failing, which is extremely common. These trucks use a resistor on high. There's no resistor. It's just full current going to the blower motor on a high. But as soon as you trip it down to one of the lower ones, there's a resistor in there, and it increases the resistance, which slows the blower motor down. The symptoms you'll have is on low or any of the two mediums, it will not work, but on high it will. If you do that test and it works only on high, then you know that your blower motor resistor and or harness that goes to it is fried. The location of the blower motor resistor, I'll show you, is right under the glove box. This is your harness that goes to it. That's the plug, and the resistor is what the black part is there. And to remove it, it's got two small hex head bolts there. It's not a metric size, it's actually 7/32 inch ratchet there. And you want to unclip this first, and then you can unscrew this guy and get the old resistor out of there. Look, if you look at that, you can see one of those is crispy, and that is what the problem is. It fries a connection on there. Sometimes it takes out this harness too. For the sake of this video, I'm going to replace it because I have a new harness, and we'll splice a new one in, and we'll show you how to do that as well. But next we'll take the two bolts holding the resistor in out. There's the factory resistor. You can see it's definitely an older design there. This is the newer design. Toyota revamped these, and I think this one is actually, yeah, this is a Dorman brand. They make pretty good aftermarket Toyota stuff. And this one came, like I said, came with this wire harness, so in case the clip is toast, which it may or may not be, but I'm going to replace it just because I have this. We'll swap that out. So this kit comes with a new wire harness here, and then 4 of these splices. I did end up trimming a lot of the wire that was on this because it was just way excessive, and then stripped them back. You can go ahead and attach the first half of the splice here on all 4 of these. Make sure just to get the first half though. do the same with your old clip. I would recommend doing these one at a time so you don't get them mixed up. Okay, just like that. Got a new wire harness in there and ready to put everything back together. We'll go ahead and reinstall the new resistor. And then go and reclip the wiring harness, tuck the wire up, and you're done.
Ready to send it?
You can see now we're off. We have our low, medium, high, medium, high. It's all fixed. Hope this video helped, guys.